Can you get a good sound out of this cheap Raleno microphone? Let's find out. I'm moving to Mexico soon and I need to take a compact microphone with me that I can use when I'm filming my videos indoors and outdoors. No matter how perfect your image quality is, but if your audio sucks, no one wants to watch your videos. A few months ago I got this Raleno V30 microphone, but I wasn't convinced about the sound quality as it has some sort of inbuilt noise reduction and low gain, resulting in low volume and choppy audio. So today I'm figuring out if I can use some basic tools from my video editing software, HitFilm Express, to get the sound quality as close as possible to my condenser microphone that I'm using right now to record this audio. If it works, I'll create a custom preset that you can download to your HitFilm and use it on your own mini shotgun microphone to get a better sound. You'll find the link in the description. Okay, let's start by comparing the three available audio sources that I'm using. So first, I'm using this Behringer B1 condenser microphone that is connected to my Focusrite interface, and I'm recording it in Reaper. And after recording, I just use some plugins and render it out as MP3 and add it to my HitFilm Express project. I'm happy with the sound quality of this microphone. I've been using it a lot, but obviously this is not something I can take with me when I'm traveling, when I'm filming outside. So I'll try to match this voice quality with my small shotgun microphone to make it good as possible. Now I'm recording with the microphone from my Xiaomi Redmi 10 5G. As you can hear, there's much more echo and room reverb as the microphone picks up everything in the ambient. I'm in a room with wooden walls, which has great acoustics, so even the inbuilt microphone works relatively well, but as it points to the side of the camera, it's picking up everything in the room, and shooting outdoors just amplifies the problem. Now this is the Raleno mic with clean signal. I have only adjusted the volume. The first issue with using an external microphone on your smartphone is that usually the default camera app has no option for selecting the audio source. So even if you have an external microphone like this, and even if it's plugged in, usually the camera is only recording with the inbuilt microphone. So you need to find another camera app to use with your external microphone. With my Nokia 6.1 Plus that I'm using here on the camera tripod to film this video, I previously used Camera MX app that worked fine with this external microphone, but it doesn't work at all with this new one. For this video, I am using Protake app, and it seems to do its work properly. In the Protake app, you can see the volume bars in the corner, so you know when you have plugged in your camera, because if I'm now tapping the windscreen, it's getting close to the maximum. So this is a simple test to know that you're actually using the external microphone. While the quality is okay as it is, I'm a bit perfectionist with sound quality, and I want to try if I can make it better. So what can we do? Let's analyze the signals in Reaper. So I wanted to use Reaper to see a visual representation of the waveform and use the better EQ to find out how I should equalize the sound to make it better. We can skip this part because I just used it as a tool to help me create the right preset for HitFilm Express. So let's jump right into that section. This is a simple test where I'm talking directly towards the microphones. They are about arm's length away. This is a simple test where I'm talking directly towards the microphones. They are about arm's length away. I wasn't convinced yet, so I wanted to try outside. Now I'm recording with the inbuilt microphone just to compare the sound. Now I'm recording again with the Raleno, and first you will hear the unequalized version, the original signal, and then I will play the same clip with the equalized sound so we can really tell a difference, hopefully. Now I'm recording again with the Raleno, and first you will hear the unequalized version, the original signal, and then I will play the same clip with the equalized sound so we can really tell a difference, hopefully. So judging from the video we just watched, the sound quality is somewhat better, but a crappy microphone can never get a really bright sound. Because if you try to tweak the EQ too much, there starts to be distortion and all kinds of things that are just going to make the signal worse. So for the preset, you see my settings right here. I'm basically cutting the lowest frequencies off, boosting some of the low end, a tiny dip in the mid frequencies, and again I'm boosting it from the higher frequencies. I think this is the best you can do with Raleno V30. So if you have a chance, you can buy a better microphone like the Rode that is very similar in construction, but most likely has a better audio quality. Or if you have a similar shotgun mic like this, you can download this preset I saved and save it on your heat film preset folder. You can import the preset like this. Open your Effects tab, right-click on the presets and click Import Presets. And if you saved it on the desktop, you'll find it with this name, EQ Raleno V30, and just open. Then it will always be available in your preset folder. To add it to any audio file, you just find the file that you want to use for it, select it, and drag the preset on your audio. There you can see that you have the same equalization. So in summary, even if the sound is somewhat better after the equalization, this microphone is not a high definition microphone with a lot of detail and crispy, bright sound, and you can only do so much with equalization. However, I will continue using it and simply by experience decide if I prefer to use that or the inbuilt microphone. In some situations, a shotgun microphone is definitely better. For example, if you're in a situation that you have a lot of other people around you talking about their own stuff and you want the microphone to pick up only what you're talking about, then this directional type of microphone works much better because then it will be mainly focused on your voice. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions about any of this, feel free to ask me in the comments below and give this video a like if it was useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.